Hello, this is Leon Andrews coming from Washington, D.C. in the United States. So glad to be here to visit the Africa STEM Academy. We are here with my family, my wife, and our 3 daughters, and also with my brother and his family. We've enjoyed our time here, getting a chance to learn more about the program. Very excited to see all of these young kids very engaged and wanting to learn. We have people that came that have backgrounds in technology and coding and nursing and evaluation. And so we have a range of folks that they can get connected with as we find ways of supporting this exciting program here.
My name's Elizabeth Tozen, and I am a nurse, but I'm also a perfusionist. So what I do is I stop people's hearts for surgery and I restart it when the surgeon is all done. So where STEM comes into that, there's a lot of mathematics. You need to know how much blood volume a person have in their body. You need to know how much medicine to give a patient. There's a lot of things that math is involved in this profession. But the other thing that I see is the kids are learning about algorithms. So a lot of things in medicine is about trend and algorithm. So if something is wrong with a patient, there's an algorithm given to the doctor so the doctor could fix the patient. I look at these kids and these kids are so fascinated and they are so involved in computer programming and learning about computer programming that it's like there's not everything that we do in the States have to do with computers. And I think it would be so beneficial for the kids.
Hi, my name is Jessica Andrews. I'm from Washington, D.C. I am a graduated senior and headed to college next year. I am on a trip to Ghana with my family, and we decided to come visit the Africa STEM Academy. And since I've been here, I've met amazing kids who are very interested in STEM and coding and are interested in learning and trying to become more professional in this field. Many of them want to become doctors or nurses or policemen or soldiers, and all of this knowledge will help them do better in the future.
My name is Julia. My Asante name is Abena, and I'm from Washington, D.C., and I go to St. John's College High School, and I'm supposed to be the mascot at St. John's College next year. And my experience so far has actually been so great. Everyone's really nice, and you get to watch them learn how to code, and they know more about it than I do. So they know how to build drones, and they're doing this coding thing in real time right now. So it's all pretty cool.
Hi, my name is Noelle. I'm 14 years old and go to the college prep school. I'm from Oakland, California, and I've had a lot of fun here today, getting to talk with different kids, getting to share experiences around like robotics and coding, and hear about what they want to do as they get older.
My name is Teron Youngs. I have been doing software development and software-related projects for over 20 years. I live in Oakland, California. I'm a Californian. I've lived in the East Coast and the Southeast, both in the South and in the Northeast of the United States. And working with these kids reminds me of when I was first starting and how the difference it made to have somebody take the time and engage me. Starting really slow or starting in using terms and concepts that I could understand that was fun to me, and then explaining it so that I can get it and own it personally, and then I could just explore it. So I really have enjoyed talking to the students here. We have been working on doing a living example of how to create a software application with me being the programmer, me being the computer, and them sitting down, doing the requirements as a team, designating somebody as the coder or programmer, designating somebody as their business analyst to get the requirements, having a project manager, and then literally handing over the instructions to me to follow. And physically, I am walking out the steps or carrying out the tasks that they instruct me to do. It's been a lot of fun. They're working as a team. They seem to be getting it. So I think this is a really good foundation. Having this experience, having this environment for them to work on these concepts together among people that they trust, who know them, who can explain it in language and in the context that they're familiar with, because it gives them the groundwork that they need to begin to learn it and hopefully take off with it, even in environments where they're in unfamiliar surroundings, but they still understand the concept and they can take it and run with and grow with it.